Hi, I'm Seth with Tagra, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create innovative color-changing formulations with Tagra's CameleonCaps. CameleonCaps can be incorporated into various bases, always in the last phase of formulation batching. We recommend using a simple paddle mixer, but for today's purposes, I'll be adding in the CameleonCaps by hand. We have here today 3 different bases: an anhydrous formula, a PVA peel-off mask, and a sunscreen lotion with free UV filters. CameleonCaps work well in many applications. They really let you be creative in your formulations. We'll start with a PVA base for our Alchemy Peel Off mask. Now, if you've worked with PVA masks before, you know it can be difficult to suspend colorants. In this case, we have a nice stable base with charcoal to give it a rich black color. We're going to mix in chameleon gold, and that's where you'll see the alchemy, converting charcoal to gold as the mask is applied to the face. Apply to the skin. It peels off beautifully after 10 minutes. Next, we have an anhydrous base with free pigments. It's easy to add chameleon to anhydrous bases with the added benefit that you can maintain your initial viscosity. Here we added chameleon brown, which is easy to use if you're looking for a universal skin tint and don't want to measure out chameleon red, yellow, and black. The free pigments in this formula are great for brightening, and you can bring out the chameleon brown for a contour effect, either under the cheekbones or in the eye crease, or an ombre lip gloss. Lots to play with. Lastly, we have our sunscreen formula, because you often hear concerns about compatibility with free UV filters. Because the pigments remain in their capsules, there is no interaction between the pigments and the UV filters. So you just mix it in, and voila, a tinted everyday sunscreen lotion. Thanks for joining us today.